If you want to maintain your privacy while using Agoda, you can hide your online status. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Agoda app. Launch the Agoda app on your mobile device or visit the Agoda website on your computer. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your Agoda account using your registered email and password. Ensure you are signed in to access your settings. Step 3. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Look for the privacy or online status settings within your account settings. This section allows you to manage who can see your online activity. Step 5. Toggle online status. Adjust the setting to hide your online status. This may involve switching a toggle off or selecting an option that limits visibility to others. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Agoda and enjoy a more private experience.